حافظة
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان.
استريك حافظة وكاسا.
ملتين يلا بلانسنا هيا.
هاي working again.
Salmo, she's speaking English.
I'm speaking English too. Okay, Salmo, let me start the conversation with you.
I don't like to speak. Everyone is coming here.
Tell me some information about yourself. How old are you? Are you Muslim or Christian?
Hello, conversation. Speak English. You've been speaking English.
I think you are afraid of me, in front of me. Okay, Salma هذا ليه؟
Salma. Yes, Farta.
أنت هلا سفيري.
هذي
Can you talk to him? No, I don't understand like these people.
What do you understand?
English يا قفاق كنت أنت.
Why are you making yourself American? You are Somali. Shit.
Shit مني يا. We are not shit. Oh my God, shit كلها. أنا أسكت خسر مية أسكري. بس باسبور كبين كل شيء. وين؟
No.
We are Americans. Why are you scared?
So she said she does not speak to everyone.
Why are you listening to the people? I'm high level than you.
Aba ucawa bawa aku beriano, igi berajai. Aduh igi berajai.
She can't answer. I graduated the University of Somalia.
Oxford.
If I can answer this man, he's not my age. He's only for me, so I cannot.
You older than me. I know that you older than me. You are like 40. It's okay. 40 is okay. I can talk to you. Me, I'm 27 years old. I'm like your child. Respect me.
Sorry, we are not same age. We cannot talk to others together.
Respect me, Ramlo, Mama. Respect us. And your friend is Askari Hafad is here. He's older than me 3 years.
I'm younger than you 3 years.
Okay, let us talk Arabic marka.
فرت أفعله كذا.
Okay, فرت الرباب. فرت ضغطة محيو بالله من سعدي كو. فرت كيف حال؟
بسم الله بيك أخويا ما فضيها.